Today, I'll show you how to clear the system cache on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, these phones come pre-installed with an app called Phone Master, and when you launch the app drawer to find it, or simply tap on it from the home screen, you should find that it has an optimize button. So what you simply need to do is tap on optimize, or if you have the option, you can simply go back to the booster option and tap on it. It's going to scan and give you an option to optimize. So if you tap on optimize from here or from here, then your phone will be optimized and subsequently clear system cache. Now this is useful if your phone was feeling laggy or slow and you needed to free up some memory. It's going to come in handy. So once you free up memory, you feel your phone to be a bit snappier and even more, it feels more smooth. So you can do either of those things to clear your system cache. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.